Raise your hand if you
This
love
is
Max
Yarnary Simulator 2.
Raise your hand if you love Max and Ruby.
And
So
we're watching. This is, episode 2. And we're going to be killing some.
Raise your hand if you want to look at your phone or tablet.
Some people. And let's ask them to follow us.
If you like to look at and miss yourself.
In the comments, ask me what you want me to do next, and yeah. I'm just learning now how to edit videos. Sorry if you hear background noises. And yeah. Can y'all please hush for a second or something, because I'm recording a video. And yeah, me playing my game. And there we go. Now, where are they? I asked them to follow me. There you go. Sorry for the last one if it's a short screen or whatever. I don't know what happened. It was a big one before. I don't know. Maybe it is. Well, I'm just learning. I'm a beginner, so yeah. So still can't kill the cat. I wish we can. Come on, die, cat. Let's try this way. Yeah. Hey, yeah.
What do you think? What a lovely sun hat. Grandma, can I buy one too? A one-of-a-kind hand-painted sun hat is
Well, let's just get down anyway.
while I'm gardening.
One hand-painted sun hat coming up. Wow, Ruby. It looks like our art stand is really taking off.
Hey, your darlings, it's Cloudy here. Yeah, that was just my assistant, because I was too busy making fashion designers. Yeah. So now I see that she's playing this game. See that. Anyway, let's get these people to follow me. That over here. Hey, no.
Peppa Pig.
She definitely needs a new outfit. This schoolgirl outfit is horrible. Wish I could do something interesting. Excuse me, darling. Can you please just never mind? I was just asking. You okay? Do you need to go to the bathroom?
No.
Just asking. Don't worry. Yeah. Oh, let me some new outfits. Really, new outfits. Now we gotta go up the stairs. And yeah. Nobody's in here. How surprising. Where is everyone? Our goal is really to kill everybody in this day before I even end my video. Maybe that much.
No, because because we don't have no recess at the elementary school. Yeah, but on Tuesdays we don't have recess.
Alright, here are the first ones.
And here's my stupid daddy.
You said Peppa Pig is stupid. Shut up, Ty. I know you were saying Peppa Pig is stupid. I just let it fail.
It's stupid to me because I already knows that.
It's no need to be mean.
Daddy can't tell me stupid.
Ah,
I don't like to
babysitter.
watch that.
Need the money. Possession. Just need to go here. Follow me. Everyone follow me. Follow me. Every one of y'all. Everyone. Yeah. Minnie Mouse. Balls. Your bald head.
Minnie Mouse is not
Needs to
fun.
cut out. We need to hurry up.
Assassino! Assassino!
Everybody, I need to hurry up.
Shut up.
Assassino!
Why you say that?
Assassino! Assassino!
Why you just say shut up to me?
Bowie.
You know you can't say that.
Bowie.
Your mom would be very mad. She told you not to say that. For real, what if I told her? I will. I will.
No, don't tell Mom.
You know I'm babysitting all of y'all.
You're not babysitting me.
I am.
Oh, crap.
I am Claudia Wolf. You did not mess with an animal like me. Well, I'm a monster.
Leave! 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 I told you to leave! I told you to leave! Leave!
Ty, who you telling me to
We about to do homework! We about to do homework! Huh? We got... Raleigh doesn't have homework, but we got homework.
We can't come outside.
And we can't come outside. Yeah. She still sick. I'm not sick no more. I got homework though. And she gotta do homework. Don't slam on don't leave. 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 What you waiting on?
leave?
Really? It's no need to be mean.
He ain't leaving. He just standing and don't smiling.
Just shut the door, I guess.
Oh, where the heck he go? What the heck?
It's just joking. Sorry about
Where
that.
he go?
I can't believe I just can't do my video while babysitting.
What the heck? Where did he go?
Yeah, please stop.
He said never. He ain't even. He ain't go. Ah!
I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm gonna try to do a video on a better, nice place. So,
Just shut the door.
I'm so sorry.
Stop. Okay, now he's gone.
No, he ain't.
So sorry, you guys. You sound very weird. I said, wala 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 wala. Hold a second.
Tom, if you come in and shut the door, he'll leave. Because he's on the ground. Is he on the ground?
I'm leaving you outside with Drake.
Hey, no. Let's see if he's still up.
Gotta get it
A
out.
bee!
There ain't no bee.
What is it?
That was a fly.
We did it. We managed to get everywhere. Oh, don't tell me I broke the game. Did I just broke the game?
He is right.
Did I broke the game? Did I glitch it out? Oh, well, yeah, I'm so sorry. But we managed to kill everyone. That's how I go. So, can I move? Hey, I broke the game. So, just wait until it says 7 to go. Well, we managed to kill everyone, but they will come back alive because we hadn't burned the bodies. And the game just broke. Can we still move? There we go. Oh, no we didn't. Well, we're just waiting for it to say 7 and we can go back. Guess we can end the video here. Bye, everyone.